Hello, I am Dhruv Gupta. Today I am going to talk about bullish market, bearish market and range bound market. Firstly, let's know what is market. Market is a place where buying and selling of products are done. Markets are of different types like monopoly market, foreign exchange market and stock market. After knowing what is market, now let's talk about bullish market, bearish market and range bound market. Firstly, bullish market. Bullish market is a market where the price of the securities are rising or expected to rise. The term bullish oftenly used for stock market, but it can also be used for bond market, currency market and real estate market. This market indicates that the price of the commodities are rising. The reason for that is that the country economy is doing very well and the business are growing very well in the market. Now let's talk about bearish market. Bearish market is a market where the price of the commodities, where the price of the securities are going down and expected to go down. This market indicates that the market price of the securities are falling. It is the exact opposite of bullish market, and the reason for this type of market is that the economy is not doing very well and some war situation in going in the countries, like in 2022 Russia and Ukraine war is going on, where the market falls between 12 to 13%, and other situations like pandemics in 2020. In 2020, COVID comes in all over the world, where the market falls to approx 15 to 20%, and other reasons are increase in the interest rates. This type of market is not always bad for the investor. Sometimes it's also good for the investor. Investor can buy the securities at lower price in this type of market. Now range bound market. Range bound market is a market where investors buy the security at lower price and sell the same security at the higher price. Some examples of range bound markets are Dhani Service Limited, Future Retail Limited. Simplest trading strategy in this type of markets are buy at support level and sell at resistance level. As let's talk about some real-time data. As per the report of Walter Street Institute and other financial institute, if the price increase by 20%, it's a bullish market, and if price falls by 20%, it's a bearish market. And if the price of the securities are not changed very much, then it is a range bound market. Approximately 41,000 companies listed in the stock market, which total value of which is approximately $80 trillion in global stock market. In August 2021, the NSE has the total value of stock market is $3.4 trillion, which takes them to the 10th position in the global stock market. The total companies listed in Bombay Stock Exchange is approximately 5,256, which total value is approximately 26 trillion. Some of the companies of bullish market is Adani Power and ICICI Bank, and some examples of bearish market is PNB Housing Finance and Indian Bull Housing Finance. Some of the examples of range bound markets are Dhani Service Limited and Future Retail Limited. So it basically means that if the price of the securities rise, it's a bullish market. If the price of the securities fall down, it's a bearish market. And if we buy the securities at lower price and sell them at higher price, it's a range bound market. Thank you.